Some quotes on leadership, that is integrity, insight, and inclusiveness are three essential qualities of leadership. Don't follow the crowd and then let the crowd follow you, said by Margaret Thatcher. Don't follow the crowd and let the crowd follow you. She is former Prime Minister of UK, Margaret Thatcher, from 1925 to 2013. Margaret Thatcher. She is former Prime Minister of UK. So Margaret Thatcher said, she was former Prime Minister of UK, don't follow the crowd and let the crowd follow you. A leader should be visionary, have more insight than an employee. Jack Ma. Great leaders do not desire to lead but to serve. So great leaders do not desire to lead but to serve, said by Miles Monroe. So Miles Monroe, he is a Bahamian minister. He is from Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamas. बहामास इन कैरेबियन कंट्रीज़ के ऊपर, एक क्यूबा है, क्यूबा के ऊपर यहाँ पे है नसाओ बहामास. तो क्यूबा है, क्यूबा के ऊपर ये बहामास में है नसाओ. सो बहामास के मिनिस्टर ने बोला है, ग्रेट लीडर डू नॉट डिज़ायर टू लीड बट टू सर्व. सो आई स्टार्ट विथ प्रेमाइज दैट द फंक्शन ऑफ लीडरशिप इज़ टू प्रोड्यूस मोर लीडर नॉट मोर फॉलोअर्स. राल्फ नेडर. तो लीडरशिप क्या करना चाहिए? दे शुड प्रमोट मोर लीडर्स नॉट फॉलोअर्स. राल्फ नेडर. So he is American activist, born in 1934, still alive. Ralph Nader, American political activist. So American political activist Ralph Nader said that function of the leadership is to produce more leaders, not followers. The function of leadership is to produce more leaders, not more followers. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will all say, we did it ourselves. Lao Tzu. So is Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu. लाउजू भी बोलते हैं, लाइजी भी बोलते हैं. तो इज चाइनीज फिलोसोफर फ्रॉम 5th century BC. So a person is not happy because everything is right in his life. He is happy because attitude toward everything is right in his life. Sanjay Pichai. A leader is one who knows way and goes the way and show the way. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. John C. Maxwell. So John Maxwell is American author. From 1947, 74 years old, still alive. John C. Maxwell. So American author John C. Maxwell said, leader is one who knows the way and goes the way and show the way. As we look ahead of the next century, leader will be those who empower others, said by Bill Gates. So leaders will be those who will empower others. As we look ahead in the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Bill Gates. So leadership is a choice, not a position. Leadership is an opportunity to serve. It is not a rehab call to self-importance. So leaders establish trust with candor, transparency and credit. Candor means quality of being honest and frank. John F. Kennedy said, leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. So John F. Kennedy, 35th US President, 1961, 1963 he was assassinated. From 1970 to 1963. So who is leader? People who are truly strong lift others up. The people who is truly strong lift others up, and people who truly powerful being bring others all together. So Napoleon Bonaparte said, a leader is dealer in hope. So management is doing things right and leadership is doing the right thing. So leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. So the capacity to translate vision into reality. So leadership is the capacity to translate your vision into reality.